Exercise is an integral aspect of a healthy lifestyle, yet many overlook its profound benefits beyond mere physical fitness. Today, we will explore the extensive advantages of regular exercise for both health and wellness, which are essential for a fulfilling life. To begin, let us paint a picture of what regular exercise entails. It doesn't necessarily mean spending hours daily in a gym lifting weights or running marathons. Regular exercise can be as simple as a brisk daily walk, a 30-minute session of yoga, or cycling through your neighborhood. The goal is consistency, and even moderate exercise, if performed regularly, can lead to substantial benefits. One of the most immediate benefits of exercise is its impact on our cardiovascular health. Engaging in regular physical activity strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and boosts the immune system. These changes lead to a decrease in the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Regular exercise helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both significant contributors to cardiovascular issues. Beyond physical benefits, exercise is a powerful ally for our mental health. It releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety. Regular physical activity has been associated with improvements in mood and overall emotional well-being. It can also boost self-esteem and confidence, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances one's sense of self and life satisfaction. Exercise also plays a critical role in managing weight. By burning calories, it helps prevent excess weight gain and maintain weight loss. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise is a cornerstone in the fight against obesity and associated health conditions such as type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Moreover, regular physical activity is crucial for strengthening bones and muscles. This is particularly important as we age, as exercise can slow the loss of bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Weight-bearing exercises, in particular, can enhance muscle strength and endurance, improving balance and coordination, which are vital for a healthy, active life, especially in later years. In addition to these benefits, exercise can also improve sleep quality. Studies show that those who engage in regular physical activity report falling asleep quicker, enjoying deeper sleep, and waking up feeling more refreshed. This can lead to improved concentration, productivity, and cognitive function throughout the day. Despite these myriad benefits, it is essential to approach exercise with a balanced perspective. The key is to find an activity you enjoy, making it more likely to become a sustainable habit. Setting realistic goals that can be gradually built upon is also important in maintaining motivation and preventing burnout. In conclusion, regular exercise is a cornerstone of health and wellness, offering a wide range of benefits from physical health improvements to enhanced mental well-being. By incorporating a routine that suits your lifestyle, you can significantly improve your quality of life and longevity. Exercise is not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. So lace up those sneakers, find an activity you enjoy, and embark on the journey to a healthier, happier you.